Hi, and welcome back to school. I'm Miss Voland, and I will be your 7th grade resource teacher this year. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon and getting the ball rolling. I wanted to take a few minutes and introduce myself, as well as share what you can look forward to us working on in resource. I am a mother of 2 children. I have a daughter who's 15 years old. She attends Olathe South and is a sophomore. I have a son, his name is CJ Christopher John, and he is 12 years old and also is a 7th grader here at Chisholm Trail. I currently had a bachelor's degree in music, went to school to teach music. I played the French horn and studied classical music, and decided that wasn't quite for me, that I wasn't ready to be a teacher. Here I am, 20-some years later, and I now have a master's degree in special education, and I'm excited that this is my first year of teaching. I'm an Olathe South graduate. I went to school here all through elementary, junior high, and high school, lots of Olathe pride. I've worked at Chisholm Trail for the past 4 years as a paraeducator. In my free time, I enjoy spending time with family, friends, going to church, volunteer work, reading, listening to music, and most of all, a quiet walk alone. To me, family is everything. I enjoy my children, and everything I do is for my children. So rest assured your children are in good hands. In the middle is my dog, Scout. He's 4 months old. You can see his cute little haircut. What we will be doing in resource class is working on IEP goals with progress monitoring and skill work. We will be pre-teaching and reteaching any new general education curriculum your student might need to review or work on. Also, we'll be learning strategies that will help your children navigate the general education course. These strategies might include things as organization, comprehension, memorization, self-monitoring, and most of all, study skills. They may start or complete a general education quiz or test during their resource hour. Most of all, they will be setting goals. I'm a big believer in the I can attitude, and that we will set these goals each quarter for them to work on to be able to track and monitor. We will also check grades and complete any missing work. But most of all, we will enjoy interacting as a group when we can safely and having fun. I believe fun is the key to learning. Rita Pearson is a great educator and has put together a great TED Talk. And from that TED Talk, I was able to take this quote, and I'm going to imply this in my classroom this year. Every child deserves a champion, an adult who will never give up on them, who understands the power of connection and insists that they become the best they can be. This brings me to a point about a 3rd grade teacher who here in Olathe helped me overcome a big move from one school, elementary school, to another elementary school in the middle of the year. I didn't know anybody. It was, it was tough. And she took me by her hand, and she was my champion, and I will never forget that. In fact, now as an adult, I have seen her as I work in education and love to share that story. So I hope to be your child's champion and be the one that helps them become the best that they can be. How can you help? I hope that you will partner with me and be a part of your child's team. And the way you can be a part of your child's team is ask questions or share concerns as we navigate these challenging times and start this school year out remotely. I am here for you. I'm here for your students. And most of all, I want this to be a remarkable year. I want them to make big strides and growths in their IEP goals. So please, don't hesitate to call. I look forward to seeing you all on Zoom on Tuesday. Best wishes, and here's to a great year. Thank you.